Hey, this is a 2010 Volkswagen GTI 2-liter CCTA engine, doesn't matter. I'm doing a master cylinder for the clutch assembly on this car, and in the research that I've done and now that actually pulling this out, a couple of quick things that can make this job a lot easier. First off, I see everybody's kind of removing the pedal assembly from inside the vehicle. It's tight in there and it's not completely necessary to get this assembly out. So basically this is the clutch master cylinder. The firewall sits right here, so everything from here forward is in the engine bay, everything in here back is in the interior. There's this little pull tab right here, so this is a hose that comes from the brake master cylinder, feeds fluid in, and then this is the discharge out to the clutch. This is an electrical connector here. If you just pull this tab down, this is slightly broken because I didn't pull it enough, but you can pull this down and then you can twist counterclockwise just about that much, and this is in the removal position here. It's keyed. You don't have to go crazy, it's just this much. You want to just pull this clip, this metal clip, you pull forward, and you can undo the discharge line to the clutch. This just pops off. There's no tabs or anything, it's just a press fit. This electrical connector I found to be quite difficult to try and disconnect down in there, and was having a lot of trouble, but I found that there's a little tab right here, and if you just move this tab just a little bit, then this whole assembly, you can, when you're down in the vehicle, you can just kind of tweak this down. Let's see if I can do it here. Yeah, there it went. So this whole thing, and it's easier to do this in the car than it is outside of the car. But my electrical connector was stuck. So this whole thing actually just comes down. You didn't break anything. The electrical connector is still connected down there in the car. And then you can actually remove this entire master cylinder from being in your way. And you can get in here with a screwdriver and kind of just pry down pretty easily. And then with that, what I found is you just kind of, my connector was stuck a little bit, but basically just took a pick and then came in here underneath the little tab, and then that released the connector, so then I could force the connector off. But there's no reason to take apart the interior of the vehicle or remove the whole entire clutch assembly. You can do this all pretty much from the engine bay. There is a little clip that you have to remove from the pedal assembly. So on mine, because this is a 10, I guess the Mark 7s are a little bit different, but on the clutch pedal assembly, you'll see these little white rectangles on either side of the clutch, and you just need to push these in and then push them forward, and you can kind of depress the clutch pedal as you're pushing these in, and pull the clutch pedal out a little bit, and this is fully inserted here. That's the fully extended position. So you just work these two little plastic clips out. It's real easy. You don't have to really remove anything to get access to these. When these come out, they come out in two pieces, and then that disengages this ball end from the clutch pedal, and then this whole thing is free to come out of the car at that point. I'm sure there's people talking about this. I didn't run across it, so I just want to share it with you guys, and hope this helps.